Let's welcome you to day number 3 of General Mkhwanazi Kamalam Tingubutlu. You know very well I'm not going to unpack anything Mkhwanazi today because my colleagues in the media, my colleagues on social media are doing great work. All I've got to say is that Yamadoda Kanipole, calm down. Mkhwanazi's got this. Mkhwanazi is covered by the blood of Jesus. Enye indo. I think I've been losing followers and people think that dinithengisile lando iti some people think I've been bought, I've been captured. Look, all I'm going to say to you is that yonke into inexesha layo. Likhona ixesha lohoboloza uthethe, ne? But you don't speak when there is still noise. And also, you don't speak without investigating. There's matters that esizivalileyo silinde imine right to break those stories. Do you understand? So, laba mene we-ANC that think they have captured me. Look, I did say at some point to capture me, I'm not even expensive. You can just give me 100,000 if you wanna capture me, but I'm not committing to any secrecy. Yekani inkomfa ziqhube, baziqhube inkomfa. Umkhwa makaqhube. Umkhwa, in fact, General Mkhwanazi is also covering something. One of the things that he'll be unpacking is things that I also have on my pile of files. Igama lami ke madoda ndingubhutlu. Ndiyafuna mani sibaleke siyotuna in kuMkhwanazi. There is a lot that is going to be discovered today. Imagine protecting lama mene atya odwa athatha iibhegi zemali ngaphaya eNasrec awandiphi nesent kunenendikhavaletha ububhanxa beenkomfa zabo abaniki nesent emdaka bandiqhela kakubi. I'm on to them. Bacinga fanisa uba ndibayekile okanye bacinga uba they have captured me baphambene ngesixhosa. Igama lam ndingubhutlu, ndingunolali uWekungqayi. Thank you so much.